Hi, this is a video on how to update a created channel. You can always reuse a channel without creating a new one when you need to broadcast something different. So in order to update or modify the channel, you need to click on Edit button for the channel you desire to modify. Now you can see the created slides. You can click on the slide to modify the slide, and towards the right side you can view its settings. For example, if you wish to broadcast a different metric through the channel, you can change the metric here. And once you're done making changes, you can click on Save button to save the changes. Or if you choose not to show some slides for the new broadcast, you can click on the Delete button to remove a slide. So that's how we reuse a channel by editing an existing channel. Thanks for watching.